Do you know this 11 bird-related idioms? As graceful as a swan describes someone moving with elegance and style. When someone is very happy without any worries, he or she is called happy as a lark. An ugly duckling is a person or thing that doesn't show potential initially but later succeeds. A person who has a habit of being active late at night is called a night owl. Bird's eye view means having an overall picture from a high position. Dead as a dodo denotes something that is not popular anymore or is out of fashion. Eat like a bird denotes a habit of eating a small amount of food. As the crow flies is used to denote the shortest distance in a straight line. Free as a bird describes a person who is unrestrained, untroubled and happy. Early bird catches the worm means one who takes the first initiative gets rewarded. Birds of a feather flock together means that persons with similar character or interest always tend to associate. Like and subscribe to watch more such episodes.